Yesterday, my friend Akshat made $900 commissions from my 99% done for you program. You must be asking, $900? How? But in order to understand the tiny little one sentence, if not one word answer, you need to understand the long answer first. What did Akshat do in order to make $900 commissions? Akshat didn't do anything other than pressing a few buttons. Basically pressing one button. Okay, let me break it down to you. Akshat launched a software. The software name is AI VidForest. That's how the software website looks like. It is an amazing software. It creates AI videos and it creates amazing AI videos. And you can do all these stuff for a one-time price. I will drop my affiliate link to this software in the description below. If you want to take advantage of this crazy deal, right now I can see the price point is $14.95 one time. This is crazy. Akshat is crazy. And it did really well. Look at this. He made over 1,000 sales. 19% people, 19 out of 100 people purchased this software. This is crazy, but in a good way. Now that Akshat got a lot of customers of this software, and these new customers got this amazing piece of software, they can play around, they can make videos, but they don't know how to make money from the videos. Now, me being an expert of making money from videos, and in fact, I have tons of proof of having people making $200, $300, $500 commissions, like literally tons of them, even $900, $4,000 commission, $800 commission, $900 commission. Tons of people from different country, different race, different experience, different background, different social financial status made money from my program. Akshat asked me to take a training for his customers, and there were about 22 people on this live training. Now, I will be uploading the live training. While you're watching this video, the live training should be uploaded on my YouTube already. I just want to show you some key points why people got crazy and signed up to my program at the end of this training. Okay, you're confused. If it was a training, why would people join my program or buy something at the end? Well, a training or a webinar has one thing in common. They have an awesome, valuable education part where we deliver so much value that attendees fall in love with the training. And these webinars are made in a way that at the end, an extremely congruent and a powerful offer is presented. And yesterday's offer was crazy. In the training, I showed how you can only spend 5 minutes and make viral AI videos. For example, like this one. This video got 4.4 million views. Let me show you.
A man entered a store to buy his little daughter a toy car. He found the toy car and went to the cashier to pay for it, when suddenly he saw a 6-year-old boy holding a teddy bear talking to the cashier. "I am sorry, kid, but you don't have enough money."
Now, we don't need to watch the full video, just see how the video was made. This video was made using a bunch of still images. All these images are still images, and there is a slight transition at the beginning, at the end of every image. Little zoom in and zoom out, little blur, little fade in, little fade out. There is a story and there is an AI voiceover and nothing else. They put this together in any free software like CapCut or so, and the video is made in maximum 5 minutes. In the webinar, I shared a secret way, our own way of generating prompts for these videos. Now look at this. This is a complete prompt for one video. From this prompt, you can generate images and where the image should start showing and stop showing and change to another image. The whole plan is right here. If you have this plan in hand, making this kind of video is just a matter of 5 minutes. And at the end of the webinar, I offered that I will provide 365 completely done for you prompts like this, which means if the attendees decide to join our program, they will get 365 done for you viral video prompts. Every day, they will spend 5 minutes to make each video, upload them, and that's it. We know money is a byproduct of what we give first. And that's why we make these videos every single day with the hope that at least one viewer will get one help from our videos. If that happens, we will consider this our greatest success. But we cannot keep on doing it without your help. And for that, the only thing we need from you is like this video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel, because if you do that, YouTube will consider this video as an important video and they will share it with more and more people. And if more people gets benefit, you will be the part of the blessing, inshallah. So please go ahead, hit the like button, share with your friends and family, social media contacts, subscribe yourself, and ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you will help us get 10,000 followers in next 3 months. We need your help because we cannot do it without you. I'll give you a second for taking action, and then let's go watch the rest of the video. Okay, you understand this, but you don't understand where the money is. Don't worry, I got you covered. With AI videos, you can make money in 3 different ways. It's very easy to learn these days. Just ask AI and AI will tell you everything. So one of the ways is making money from views, because platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Facebook pay you for generating views in your videos. The second way is freelancing and charge money for your freelancing work. So let's say you have a video creation software, you can just click a few buttons and make videos. You can offer this as a service. People will hire you and you probably make something like $55 per video. And the third one is the most preferred one, which is generating customers using videos. Now, interestingly, when I asked ChatGPT, what is the common factor in all the methods of making money? ChatGPT told me one answer. The one thing required to succeed in all methods is a consistent and targeted traffic and client acquisition system. Did you see any connection now? When you upload a video to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, you get views. These views are potential traffic or customers or clients. They either just watch your videos and go, or they buy something from you. Using these prompts for 365 days, even if you make $2 per prompt, you will end up making $730. When the webinar attendees realized these numbers, this opportunity, they went nuts. Plus, when they figured that we have passive ways to generate paying customers and clients, and other big gurus are doing the exact same thing, like a jet seller, finance coach, speaking coach, health coach, and our 99% done for you program members all are using easy, simple, beginner-friendly customer acquisition system. And on top of everything, which is the best of the best part, our program is 99% done for you. We built a money machine for every single member, and we showed them results of our affiliates, of our members. We show the guarantee of results. How our system is far better and easier way to make money than any other methods. These webinar attendees were completely ready to sign up to our program. They saw the results of our other members, what kind of support they got from us, what exactly worked for them, how hard it is if you do it all by yourself. We gave them a complete explanation. It was a little bit of techie and tricky, but we were able to explain them. Especially this kind of results, like let's say Ilham. Ilham is not a 9-to-5er. Ilham is an 8-to-8er. She works from 8 to 8. She has absolutely no time. The only one thing she does is download my videos and upload as her own. That's it. This downloading and uploading made her money. Basically $1,700 in affiliate commission. Now, it seems like I'm advertising my program. Yeah, a little bit. Because we are solving the biggest problem. Getting customers, getting traffic. And my friend Akshat was able to make money because he has traffic. He has customers, fresh new customers who already purchased something from him. But when they actually attended the webinar, they loved it. Now, for those who are looking to get traffic, who understand the value of traffic, then I have something more to share with you. And this is completely educational. I watched this video today and I love this video.
I used to believe Google would just send me traffic if I created high quality content. You know, do boring keyword research, create an article, hit publish, and then praying I get some traffic. But the truth is, this is a losing strategy. Let me show you something. A recent study and stat by SparkToro showed
This is really interesting, and everybody should know about this, because everyone thinks that every visitor should be making money. But you should actually know where the visitors are and how they react when they see a video or land on a website.
shows that almost 60% of Google searches end in 0 clicks.
60% of Google searches end up in 0 clicks. Can you believe that?
This means people who are searching for something on Google typically aren't clicking on anything in the search results. Out of the 41% of users who actually clicked on something, 70% clicked on organic results, 28% clicked on a video or image, and less than 1% clicked on an ad.
What does that mean? Running paid ads is not the best of the best solution. Less than 1% people actually click on your ad, and you keep paying from your hard-earned money. So the free and organic methods are the best of the best. Now this video is also good for those who don't want to show their faces or who don't want to make videos, because I always say videos and showing face are not the only ways to get traffic. However, let's go.
Basically, Google's turning more into a visibility engine than a search engine. So where the hell is everyone, right? Well, they're kind of everywhere. So in this video, I'll be showing you the 7 best free ways on how to get more traffic to your websites.
Of course, as usual, I have already analyzed the whole video, and I have to say I was impressed with the quality of information in the video. Interestingly, when you start watching it, you'll feel bored and think all this information are old and you already know about them. But in fact, they are not. Let's say the first one, Quora.
We gained a lot of traffic. On Quora, we gained more than 500,000 views for the year. On Reddit, we gained 66,000 views in just 4 days. And using a blogging method, we created an article without a website. It ranked really well and makes us monthly commissions every month.
Article without a website.
And I'll show you how we did that. And I've also discovered a free way on how to build free automated backlinks.
Shut up. Let's talk about backlinks later. If you check similarweb.com, you'll find Quora has 500 million visitors. 500 million traffic per month. In case you don't know about the significance of traffic, look at this. This is a screenshot of one of my Warrior Plus account, and these are the traffic sent by our affiliates, and from those traffic they made commissions. And here is another account where we paid $166,000 in affiliate commissions. These are traffic sent by affiliates, and these are money made by affiliates. And here is the biggest account, $2.6 million paid as affiliate commissions to our affiliate partners. All they did was send traffic and they made affiliate commissions. So what do we mean by this? Traffic equals money. More precisely, from the amount of traffic we received and from the money we made, we know exactly what the value of each visitor is. And it is starting from 55 cents to way up to 88 cents. Whether somebody buys from you or not, that's the value of a visitor. So when we say Quora has 500 million traffic per month, according to our data, it's equivalent to $250 million. The third one is super interesting.
Starting an old school forum? What? And your first question might be, why? I thought forums are dead.
Absolutely. We moved to Facebook groups, and now even Facebook groups are no longer working much. They have multiple community platforms. All the traffic are everywhere. But here is the trick. Listen to him. I loved it.
Who goes to forums today, right? What are you, old? Well, in 2025, SEO kind of changed things. Now here's the most underrated strategy to get traffic to your website. Build a forum. Yeah, I know it sounds old school, but let me explain. When you create a forum, you're not just adding a page or two to your website, you're building hundreds or even thousands of indexable pages over time. Every time someone starts a discussion, replies to a post, or asks a question, that content gets picked up by the Google crawlers. And guess what? Google loves fresh user-generated content, and this will create searchable links in the search engine. Have you ever heard of stake.com, that one gambling degenerate website where all these young influencers are promoting their scams? Well, they recently introduced a forum onto their websites. Well, why did they do this? So they can get more indexable links back to their websites. In fact, there's more than 2.4 million links now that has been generated by the stake forums. So let's give you an example. Here I'll go to the casino discussion and scroll down. What I'll do is I'll click on one of these questions. Here's a question, what's your biggest win with the smallest bets? So here you'll see many people are replying to this question. Now, many people have found this question not through stake.com, but through the Google search results. Here we'll go ahead and copy and paste this question and search for it in Google. You'll see that the stake forum right here pops up, leading back to that original question. What's great about this approach is users are automating the backlink process for you. Basically, you have a complete community to build backlinks for your website for free. On top of that, did you also know that Google has actually added a forums tab in the search results?
Absolutely. Isn't this crazy? I just searched with something like car users, and here is a forum. Of course, Reddit is on the top, then Facebook and all, but there are other communities as well.
If we were to click on the forum tab, you're also going to see many forums right here asking questions and answering questions that can drive more traffic to your websites. Now, the next example is even better.
We understand the point. But the thing is, you need to create a forum. And if you don't know how to create a forum, go ask ChatGPT how to create a forum site. ChatGPT will give you detailed answer and it can build a forum for you. You can use these softwares. Although I think ChatGPT missed one software, there is a WordPress plugin. So just to remind ChatGPT, I asked, any WordPress plugin? And yes, of course, bbPress. And there are some more like WP4O. I don't have any idea about that, but I know about bbPress and BuddyPress. Cool, you get the point. If you're interested, you can just research on YouTube, simply install and move forward. Number 5 is interesting. Syndicating your videos, which means exactly what we teach in our program. We use AI to learn new skills fast. The most important keyword here is fast. Then we use our experience of using AI and the lesson or the skills we learn and turn them into short form videos like 1 minute to 2 minute long videos. And here is the trick. We upload the same exact video on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. All these platforms send us free views. These views are not yet traffic, but through the structure of our videos, we drive these viewers to our AI-powered automated sales funnel. This sales funnel does the selling on our behalf. And when there is a sale, we earn $500 commissions. By the way, if you are interested to learn about our program, there is a free training link in the description below. Go watch that training. And at the end, you will learn about our program. You will learn how we help these beginners earn $500, $650 commissions on complete autopilot. The program is 99% done for you. So watching the free video is 100% worth it. And last but not least.
Number 7, Reddit. Yes, Reddit is chaotic. It's full of memes, trolls, debates, and the angry mob. You might have discovered many people are very angry on Reddit. But if you use it the right way, Reddit can be a goldmine for targeted traffic. Here's how you do it. You find a subreddit in your niche. You then answer questions, join conversations, and drop genuine advice. People will also click on your profile, and guess what? You can add a link in your website bio. You can even recommend your own services or websites in the comments. But trust me, Reddit users have a sixth sense when it comes to spam, so play it cool. So just do it right, and you'll have long-term traffic that come in from threads that rank in Google for years. So there you go, 7.
Do you remember what I showed you? I looked for car users. In the forum section, I found this Reddit link. In case you're wondering, Reddit has 3 billion, yeah, B for boy, B for bad, 3 billion monthly visitors, and 50% of those visitors are from US. So if you are running some kind of business that needs US traffic, you should not ignore Reddit. They have 29% of their own traffic and 67% organic. And if you're interested, go to ChatGPT and ask, give me a complete step-by-step training how to generate traffic from Reddit, starting from scratch as a beginner. And let's go. Pick the brain of ChatGPT, get all the steps, and ask back and forth questions to learn more in details about each step. Don't take this as a brain fart of AI. ChatGPT has access to websites. ChatGPT has access to search data. So they basically summarize, they basically research, summarize from the authority sites, and then give you what you ask for. Yeah, now you got it. Once you have traffic, send traffic to this AI-powered automated funnel that does the selling on your behalf. Make these $500 commissions and these $900 commissions like my friend Akshat. If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life, and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.